Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save PowerPoint slides as an MP4 video. So we have some slides in this PowerPoint, and if you want to save and you want to convert these slides into MP4 video, so click on File, then click on Export. Here select and click on Create a Video. Now select resolution like Full HD, large file size and full high quality. And there are some another option like Ultra HD, 4K, HD 720 and standard. So select as your requirement, then click on create video. Here you can change time, seconds spent on each slide, like you can increase and you can decrease the time for slide. Then click on create video. Save it to your PC where you want to save, like desktop. Then click on save. Here we can see creating video. Once it's done, close it and open that video. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video. By simple step we can know how to save and convert PowerPoint slides as an MP4 video. So very simple: file and export, then create a video, select resolution and click on create video, save. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.